Still losing your headers every time you scroll in Excel? That gets frustrating fast. But there's an easy fix. Here's how to lock them in place. If you want to freeze the top row, head to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, and choose Freeze Top Row. Now your column headers stay visible no matter how far you scroll. Need to freeze a column instead? Select Freeze First Column, and your row labels will stay locked as you move across the sheet. And if you want to freeze both rows and columns together, click the cell just below the row and to the right of the column you want frozen. Go to Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes. That's it. Your headers stay in view and your spreadsheet stays readable. For more simple Excel and Office tips that actually save time, then like the video, hit subscribe, and start working like a true Office wizard.